Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 7th, 2019. Asian stocks rise amid drop in US unemployment. Asian shares climbed on Monday after data showed the U.S. unemployment rate declined to the lowest level in almost 50 years, easing concerns of a slowdown in the world's largest economy. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan surged 0.16%, while Japan's Nikkei stock index fell 0.2% after rise during the session's open. Australian shares were up 0.63%. The pan-region Euro Stoxx 50 futures increased 0.2% to 3,435, and German DAX futures rose 0.18%, while FTSE futures slightly fell 0.03%. Meantime, U.S. stock futures declined 0.39% in Asia on Monday after the S&P 500 1.4% gain on Friday. Economic sentiment in the U.S. fell last week after disappointing data of manufacturing and services, but a modest September increase in U.S. jobs announced on Friday eased concerns and lifted U.S. markets that day. The U.S. unemployment rate slipped to 3.5% in September, marking the lowest since December 1969. Non-farm payrolls also grow in September, but slightly less than expected. German industrial contracts shows weaker results. German industrial orders declined more than expected in August due to weaker domestic demand, according to data showed on Monday. This drop adds to evidence that manufacturers in Europe's largest economy are experiencing a tough third quarter. The economy ministry said that the contracts for made-in-Germany products decreased 0.6% from the previous month, with demand for capital goods fell 1.6%. The overall monthly fall compared with the Reuters consensus forecast for a drop of 0.3%. July figures were revised up to a decline of 2.1% from a previously reported 2.7% drop. M&G Prudential invests in new Londons Gotham. M&G Prudential decided to take care about London's future as an international financial hub after Brexit, agreeing to bankroll the construction of an office complex that will be one of the largest in the UK. The asset manager is investing £875 million, $1.1 billion, to purchase land at 40 Lidenhall Street and build the office project that has been dubbed Gotham City, according to a company statement on Monday. It acquired the site from Alberta Investment Management Corp and Nuveen Real Estate, which will continue as development manager. London's commercial property market currently offers good value relative to other capital cities such as Paris and Tokyo, partly due to Brexit-related uncertainty, said Tony Brown, global head of M&G Real Estate. As there are a limited number of developments underway in London, we expect high-quality office space like this with an emphasis on green credentials. An employee will be in demand from occupiers when the scheme is completed in 4 years. Macron gives Johnson a week to revise Brexit plan. The French President Emmanuel Macron has given Boris Johnson time until the end of the week to fundamentally overhaul his Brexit plan. The UK proposals tabled last week are not regarded in Brussels as being a basis for a deal, and Macron emphasized it was up to the UK to think again before an upcoming EU summit. After declining to meet with the Prime Minister in person, Macron further insisted during a phone call on Sunday that the talks would only be advanced through the EU's chief negotiator Michel Barnier. Boris Johnson presented his latest proposal, stated an official at the Élysée Palace. The president told him that the negotiations should continue swiftly with the Michel Barnier's team in coming days in order to evaluate at the end of the week whether a deal is possible that respects European Union principles.